It's the king!
It's all over. Night creature.
Stop, all of you, stop!
Nice work, Princess. You trapped the night creature.
Oh, you're just like your grandmother. There's no such thing as a night creature.
If there is no such thing, then please tell me what is that? Huh?
That is our son. Everyone calm down. This is your king, and he has a very, very bad gecko milk allergy, which turns those of the Julian bloodline into awful, hairy, unpleasant beasts.
He's been drinking gecko milk all week!
Lucky for you, I always travel with my travel scepter. Huzzah!
King Julian! You're okay!
Be going.
Nobody poisons my son.
Nephew, hold your ground. Let's just talk about this.
What? Milk that bad lemur.
With pleasure.